What's going on, traders? I'm back with another US30 trading bot update. This is our flagship EA, and our US30 bot has absolutely been killing the markets. We have been running this bot for over 2 years with our private group. And so this is the weekly update on our US30 trading bot, which has performed exceptionally well, even with all of the tariff news in the market. So I'm just going to jump right into the results. You can see right here, this is our US30 trading bot. It has done 833% in profit. We ran this bot from the 28th of February 2023, and right now we are on the 4th of April 2025. The markets are closed. It is currently the weekend right now. I'm going to give you guys a weekly update on how the bot has performed. This bot has been designed specifically for prop firms. If you guys are trying to get funded with FTMO, Fund the Next, or any of these prop firms, Effexify, even with funding pips, this is the bot for you. It can pass any prop firm. It is absolutely guaranteed the way it works. This is a risk to reward bot. So let's just get right into the results of how it performed this week. Right now, here is my MetaTrader 4. We do have both versions, MetaTrader 4 and 5. And we do have a solution for every other trading platform, whether you guys are using MetaTrader, DXTrade, CTrader, TradeLocker, it does not matter. If I go into the entire history right now, I'm just going to go to the entire history. You guys can see the dates right now. I'm just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And you guys can see that the profit has now grown to $833,000 in profit, hitting close to $1 million. And yes, we have been running this bot for that long. So right now, you guys can see on the bottom left hand, 933,000, just like on my social trader tool, $933,862.80. Bring out my iPhone mirroring right now and show you guys exactly, this is exactly the same exact profits. If I go to the history right now and just go for the week, I'll show you guys exactly how it's done. Here is the weekly profits. So on March 24th, we did about $300, which is basically nothing. On the 25th, we did one loss, minus 4,000, a win of 4,000. So this was a break-even day. On the 26th, we did 4,000. On the 26th, we had one win, 4,000, one loss, minus 4,000. And then we had one win of 12,000. And then on the 27th, this was a losing day. We had one trade, 3,600. And then we had two losing trades right there, minus 4,000, minus 4,000. On the 28th, we had two winning trades, 9,360, 4,300. On the last trading day of March, we had 3,340. And then we had two losing trades right there. On April 1st, we had 8,000. One losing trade of 4,000, so this was a winning day. On the 2nd of April, we had two losing trades right there, minus 4,000, minus 4,000, but then we made up for it, so this was also a break-even day. On the 3rd of April, we had two winning trades right there, 4,320, 4,520, and again, this is a risk to reward bot, and you can see on April 4th, we had 24,000, bringing our total profits to $54,000 for the week. This trading bot is specifically designed for prop firms. It only trades 1 to 3 trades during New York Open. All you guys need to do is run the bot. It works for 30 minutes to an hour a day, and then you are finished. You don't need to stare at any charts. You don't need to do any of that. All you guys need to do is just run the bot for 30 minutes to 1 hour, and that is it. So if I go to a prop firm like FTMO, and let's say that the profits are $54,000 in just 1 week. This is the average. On a 200K account, you guys would not be using 200 lots. Because this account has grown so much, right now we're close to $1 million. The lot sizes are 200 lots, but you guys would not be using 200 lots on a 200K account. What you guys will actually be doing is you guys will be using 50 lots. So on 50 lots, if you guys do lose a trade, you guys will only be losing $1,000. And then if you guys, the worst case scenario is that you guys will lose all 3 trades, then you will be risking about 1.5% a day. If this was a $100,000 account, then you guys will be using 25 lots. And that will be, again, the worst case scenario will be 1.5% in a single given day. Now, the profit target for FTMO is on the first phase, you guys will need to hit 10%. On the second phase, you guys need to hit 5%. So basically, you guys would need to hit a profit target of $30,000 to pass a 200K challenge. Now, if I go to the breakdown, for example, we hit $54,060 on a 200 lots. So if I go to $54,000, if I divide this by 2, which will mean that it was 100 lots, then that would equal to $27,000. If this was a $200,000 account, again, you guys will be using 50 lots. So I'm going to divide this by 2 again. And that will equal to $13,500 in just 1 week. Now, if I times this by 3 weeks, what does this show you? $40,500 in profit if this was the average right now. What does this show you? This shows you that if this was the average profit, you would have already passed your $20,000 target on phase 1. You would have already passed your $10,000 target on phase 2. In 3 weeks, you would be up $10,500 on your funded account. This is the power of the US30 bot. There is no other bot in the market that has been running this long, so consistently, making consistent profits. And we have been bringing so much value into our VIP trading group. This week, we have actually also started taking additional gold trade setups. So here's April 1st. Everyone in our trading group has been getting paid out. Here's an FTMO account. Here's another account right there. So just on the 1st of April, another payout from FTMO. All of our members have just been profiting nonstop. Here was a trade that we actually called out, and our professional team of traders are actually going to be calling out these gold trades for our automation account so that all of our members can double down and maximize their profits. So this was another trade that we actually took on gold. So yeah, everyone has been profiting in our group. We have hundreds of members. Another one of our members actually got funded from 5%ers. Hundreds of members who are actually trading with us, using our bots. And here was another 5-figure payout from another client. If you guys are tired of trading and failing your challenges and you guys want to get funded and trade with a winning team, hit the link in the description, reach out to one of our members and join our exclusive trading group. I'll see you guys in the next video.